Let me show you very quickly how to use QRQ. How to set up a QRQ account. First, you have to sign up and create your account by introducing your name, email, and choosing a password. After logging in, you are already inside the QRQ platform and ready to start creating all locations you need to manage. Click in Create. Name your business. Insert the maximum number of people you can have inside, and some information about your company. Note that you can change this data in settings at any time. To set up your location, choose the subscription plan that suits your business the best and finalize. You can start by using the 30-day free trial, or, if you have already benefited of it, create a new plan, choosing if you prefer to pay monthly or yearly, and proceed to payment. Once the payment procedure is confirmed, you have access to your location within the subscribed plan. Remember that you can always keep track of your subscription plans on Plans and Billing. To get your QR code, so that your customers can scan it to generate their ticket, click on QR code on the left, download the PDF, and display it. Keep in mind that if you click on Revoke and Update, a new QR code will be created to replace the current one, and you will need to change all communication displayed. Manage the tickets on Queue Management. Once your visitors start generating their tickets, you can see the number of waiting tickets at the bottom. Click Call Next to call the following ticket. Once your customers approach the entrance, click on the ticket to check in all people associated to it. When a client leaves, you can click on minus so that you have the number of people inside always updated. If someone arrives without a smartphone and cannot scan the QR code, you can generate a manual ticket. To do that, choose the number of people associated to the ticket and click Generate Ticket. A ticket number is then created, which you must tell the customer to memorize. Generated tickets, via QR code and manually, can be distinguished by the respective icon. You can reset the queue management at any time, but be careful. All waiting tickets will be cancelled. We advise doing it during non-operating hours. Thanks for watching. Go to qr-q.com and start using it now.